these lantern cloches are a brilliant way of protecting all sorts of crops in your veg plot, and particularly things with a bit of extra height to them. They come in two sizes, so you've got the standard size and the giant size. So you can choose whichever you like, and then there's 3 different coverings. This one is micro mesh, so that's 0.6 millimeter, really tiny mesh, UV stabilized, so it'll last for ages, and it'll keep out just about every flying pest, from aphids through to cabbage white, butterflies, carrot fly, just about anything you like, and of course pigeons and things as well. Or you can go for the polythene version, and that's going to be perfect for early on in the season and the back end of the season, when you really want to give a bit of extra weather protection and a little bit of extra warmth. In the poly version, there are eyelets, which means that any excess heat will also be able to escape quite easily. And you'll see that when the end finally comes and you need to put it away for a while, there's this steel ring which allows you to hang it up, because it folds flat. You can say store it in somewhere like the garage really easily. The lovely fleece version here, good, tough, heavy-duty fleece. And this giant one could be popped over a wide range of crops. So perfect for those things that you want to encourage to crop later on in the season than you ever dared hope.